English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 14.
My job is very tiring. I am always so tired.
The building is amazing. The tourists are amazed. The task is annoying. She is annoyed. The meeting was boring. They were bored. The vacation is relaxing. He is relaxed.
That's a very interesting idea. That meeting was really boring. The printer can be annoying at times. By the end of the week, I'm really tired. The system is confusing at first. I'm very excited about my project. The news was shocking. I was very surprised by my raise. Satisfied. Bored. Tired. Confusing. Annoying. Interesting. Excited. Shocking.
Do you like the new job? I bet the salary is higher.
It is, but the hours are much longer than my old job.
My new office is closer to the city. I leave the house earlier now. The New York office is bigger. Tickets are more expensive.
My new commute is more expensive than before, and it's longer. This printer is faster than the other, but that one is more reliable. This coffee is stronger than I normally buy, but it is also tastier. This building is newer than my last workplace, and the area is quieter. This cafe is busier than the other one, so the service is slower. My new uniform is more comfortable than my old one, but uglier.
Bad. Worse. Good. Better. Well. Better. Far. Farther.
Further.
Profits are worse than last year. Parking is more expensive this year. This system is better than before. I have more work to do than last year. I arrive much earlier than my boss. Every year, my raise is smaller. I feel better now that I have a new job. A digital copy is more useful to me. That meeting was worse than usual.
I work longer hours than before, but I don't mind. The job is much more interesting, and I'm happy here. My annual salary is better than my previous job. Now I can afford to buy a new car.
I finish work at 5 o'clock every day because the overtime pay is much worse than my old job, so it's not worth working late. The hourly rate for my new job is less than my last one, but I get other benefits, such as free lunches and a travel card. My commute is shorter than it used to be, so I can cycle to work now, which is great because it keeps me fit and saves me money.
My weekly wages are less than before, but I get a much bigger bonus at the end of every month.
Less. More. Difficult. Easy. Excited. Bored. Weaker. Stronger. Higher. Lower. Expensive. Cheap. Lighter. Heavier. Bigger. Smaller. Little. Large. Better. Worse.
This project is more interesting than the last one. Now, my vacations are longer than they used to be. This new computer system is more efficient than the old one. These presentations are making me more bored than yesterday's. These new laptops are lighter than the old ones. The cafeteria lunches are tastier than restaurant meals.
Hi, Joe. I'm going to be working on this new marketing project with you. So, who did you work for before you came to work for us here?
Well, I was working for a fairly old-fashioned marketing company. It's much more up-to-date here.
What do you enjoy most about the project?
I love working with the social media campaigns now. I know I work longer hours, but the job is so much more interesting.
What do you think of our boss?
I like her. She's friendlier than my old boss. I think it's because she's more relaxed. Everything was disorganized in my old job, but here it's much more efficient.
End of Lesson 14.